up, guys? Luis Easy Money here again. We're here in New Mexico. We came for the New Mexico Truck Show. Uh, let's see how this event turns out. It's our first event out of state. Last minute kind of thing. Wasn't gonna come anymore, but I was like, you know what? It's time to get back into the videos. So fuck it, let's record today. I am trying out some mics for better voice or whatever. We got the SS clone. I had to do a whole update on everything that we've done on that. Haven't done a video on that one in a while. We got the 24 billets, 4G autos, cut diff in the rear. We got the sunroof. We got some other stuff done to it. We pulled it with the crew cab over here, the crew cab we had. It started raining on us, so it's like everything's all dirty. We got our boy Juan's truck right here. He is rocking the welds in the front for right now. He has a full set of the intros, but we had to unload this truck from the trailer because the other truck that was hauling it was having some issues. So we just had to unload it, take off the front ones because you guys know 24 small ass tire, they would have popped or something. So we threw on some 20s on this truck just to get it here. We only had like an hour or 2 hours left. In the back over here, we got Tony's, the Queptis guy truck right here. He is in a little bit of a darker area, but you guys could kind of get the idea. It's the purple 2020 Sierra Denali. He has a 30, 32s, I don't even know, fully bodied from Fat Fabs. I'll show you guys that one tomorrow once there's a little bit more light. What I also want to show you guys is the new merch that he dropped, which you guys could also get your guys' selves in the Queptis website. You got the logo from Pemex, the gas station in Mexico. In the back, you got the gas station with Tony's truck in the back. What's up, guys? We're here at New Mexico Truck Fest. We made it all the way from Colorado. We brought the SS Clone. We brought the Queptis fans. Make sure to stop by any other time you guys see us. We will be trying to be at every show that we can. We got merch, the shirts, hoodies, carne seca, michelada mix, hats. We got stickers. We got everything here. We're gonna be showing you guys a little bit about like all the trucks that are here and stuff. Let's see, we got Tony's truck over here. We all pulled up together. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of here in the booth. We got the Queptis carne seca and we got the Santos carne seca. We got the new hats. We got different colors. This is suede on the brim. Pretty nice hat. We got the spike lug nuts. We got the lanyards, the stickers, windshield stickers like the one on the SS. We got some spin the wheel for anybody that spends $50 or more. We're more than likely all the time gonna be next to Team Billet since our boy Tony is in the Team Billet. So you guys will be seeing a lot of these trucks. We got Project Taurus ready here. We got Scarface. We got the homie Juan's truck. We're like right next to the stage as well, so that'll be pretty cool. We got some nice trucks right here, some C10s. We got our Estilo. There's also a couple teams that I haven't seen in a while. Clean builds. Let's see what else we got. This is like one of the first like 5.0s that I see, at least like not in Colorado, but with some JTX. If I'm saying that right, looks pretty clean. I'm not a big fan of the Fords, but this one looks pretty clean too. Here you got this bad boy right here. Looks like it's an LS swap. So $20 a sticker, $60 a hat. We got another twin turbo right here. Oh shit, this might be an LS as well.
Tenemos el compa Juan con Coeftis slapping on one of the Easy Money stickers. Es como bautizar una troca. Nah, es que está más caliente que el culo del diablo aquí. So you can see got a little wrinkles right there, pero that's our fault. Pero con una tarjeta de crédito se hace.
Alright guys, we're about to go in the burnout pit where we threw on the welds in the back like I had showed you guys earlier or yesterday when we got here to New Mexico. We're gonna throw on the welds. We had to throw on the spacers in here and then the weld will be able to fit. So we're about to hit the burnout pit. Juan right here is also swapping out his wheels real quick. He's taking out his intros and then he's gonna fit the 22s in there. But his truck, that's a stock tire, so we're gonna have to. It's barely gonna fit in there. On mine, let's see how it does. I haven't done it with 20s yet. Ever since I cut the diff, I haven't burned out like that. I just burned out with the 4G autos. So we'll see how that one does. We'll see how this one does because it's gonna be like a bigger tire. It's stock tire size, but we'll see how this one does. All right, I'll catch you guys when we're in the pit.
slide it. They did a show for y'all. So, first place, too clean with this red truck, sliding it, getting all crazy on it. So, come on down, brother, if you can. Money. Let's give it to the guy in the white. Where's he at?
Guys, turns out the event was a better turnout than we thought. We ended up taking the sideways king here in the New Mexico Truck Fest. We got first place. We got the engine. It's a 5.3 fully built with long tube headers, except that I took out the long tube headers. We got the SS right here. I'll post right before this video. You guys probably already saw me the Burnout. But yeah, at least got something out of the show. We do got the live band in the back, so I know it's a little bit harder to hear, but I just wanted to show you guys before we leave the show. Alright guys, we're out of here. New Mexico, it's been real. It was our first time coming out of state, first truck show, and this time at least we didn't leave empty handed. We were able to win something for doing, the burnouts. Like I showed you guys earlier in the video, but it was late at night, so you guys can't really see it. We'll show you guys right now. We got the brand new 5.3 for the 99-207 trucks. It also came with some long tube headers, but I took those off. That way we could put it in there. We have a lot of shit, a lot of the merch and stuff. Right now we got the cooler draining. That way we don't take all that extra water. But we got the long tube headers in this one. right there, brand new as well. We were able to get all of that. That was the first place spot for the sideways keen. So shit, I'm more than happy. First time in, like I said, coming out of state to do a truck show, and shit, we didn't leave empty handed. So that's pretty exciting. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let's start going out of state for the shows more. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one.